Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your speech to a song on CapCut PC. So hit that microphone button, select the input device, and just press the red dot, and you're just going to say a few things for around 5 seconds. You'll need 5 seconds for this to work. Once you're done, you are going to simply, if you're on basic, go to voice changer, go to speech to song. The rest is a pro feature, but the folk one isn't, so just like that. And wait for it to generate, and this is what it's just going to sound like at the end. Hold on, that was really loud. Okay. Just going to say a few things for around 5 seconds. Okay, it sounds kind of weird, but I guess it creates a jingle or a tune, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!